When I'm wiping, you know, you wipe and then you look. I'm like, okay. Hizi wipes ziko na shape gani hii?
Nani mwana ruka ati wao.
He also doesn't know them. He's like, wena kagi. Toto la thondekerwo ku. Rosiga kuruku like me like we. Nini hizo unashika wewe?
Now you start eating. You finish.
Yeah, I finish eating. Now he come. He come.
Yes, him.
No, yes, His Excellency.
Yes.
He come. Greeting each one.
Yes.
And he is very good.
Oh.
He knows how to eye contact.
Yes.
Yes. You see, the Makanika, they had one lady.
Yes. Waga.
Waga. So the His Excellency, the Deputy President, he came.
Yes.
He saw her. He was like, actually, hotagacha korucha wera na rumea yothe. Actually, munene.
Natorutagiraja, and the meeting has not started.
It has not started. Ati munene thengio muno ni tondu wa kuona ni mutumia haha tuoka haha tondu ni turera handu. Wait. Protocol. You will talk. Munene is saying hi to everyone. I think Waga was thinking, this is the opportunity. You know, they had believed in themselves. They was like, wana talking your house. When Munene comes, wewe utapeana hizi points. So she was asked, olutaga atia wera gatagati karumea yothe. Thank you Munene.
Munene ndaikarite thi.
Ona ndagithĩtie mũndũ. Nĩwe wa mbere kũgeithio. Mũrĩithio tũrutagĩra wĩra nja. Ona hena andũ ana marakinyirwo. Tũgucagio nĩ kanjũ kũgũrũ. The coordinator was like, tulia kidogo mama. Ongeza juice. He greet us one by one. And he is very good. He look and he talk to everybody.
Yes.
He arrive at me. He look at me.
Yes.
I stand. I greet him. He ask me. Hairstyle. Niki. Ne akuino. I told him, this one is just trying to go teach you.
For town.
For town. Now he sat next to me.
Yes.
And he talked to us.
No, before he talked, he had his food.
No, he talked first.
Yes.
Then, you see, Murefu had hid his food. Now, those, His Excellency, ask for food.
Yes.
See us, we have plates like this. You know what he asked? Tea. Didoma.
And Murefu's plate.
Murefu's plate is like, it has everything.
How many eggs?
He has put 3 eggs. He has fish fillets, 4 of them. And he did not know what it is. There is guacamole.
And
there is mananasi, melon. He has put 2 glasses of juice. Hibiscus and mango. These people, they are just mechanics. His Excellency, the DP. Chanagra, my favorite. Me, I'm waiting for fish fillets and chicken and some. I see tea. And the doma.
How many pieces?
1 piece that has been cut many pieces.
Yes.
One, just a small one. And then he does not finish it. Yes. He sip tea. He take a fork. He duga.
Any masharia?
Masharia praise. He has already shot. Johnson Ball.
Wait, I pay my bill.
Johnson Ball.
Me pay my bill.
Our marketer has come with laptop and proposal.
Forget about this story.
No. Me, before we finish, now forget about all of them. You see, one thing I noticed there in the State House, that is State House.
Yes, residence. DP's residence. Yes.
One thing I noticed, and the DP is good. When we are taking photo, he say, you guys, photo when the State House is background.
Yes.
So people will not think it's Photoshop.
Yes.
We now, take. Yes. Now what I realized, number one, two things. When I went to the toilet, there, you see, you cannot eat and then carry.
Yes.
So I went to the to leave it there.
Yes.
There is Vaseline at the toilet, and there is lotion.
Yes.
When you do what you do, you shower. There is even perfume. Toilet, residence. I saw. Yes.
You
ask Murefu.
Did you want to put in the pocket?
Huh? And then I saw there are soldiers everywhere. They were like, when you came here, you had nothing. What is that protruding?
You perfume.
I perfume myself.
Yes.
And I now the thing I noticed, the only thing that has flooded in that State House
is the swimming pool.
It is overflowing. And I'm like, Munene, do you swim? No, wait.
I want to pay my bill.
No. Before you pay bill.
1 minute.
No, okay. This is very genuine. Yeah, it's a concern for me.
Yes.
Now I want to leave work.
Right now?
Yes.
We go where?
Sleep there.
You are bored.
There's grass. I'm bored here. You see there we are seated, there's security watching you. Food is coming. You are talked very well.
Yes.
Right and center there's photographers. Things are good. You are eating very well.
There's perfume in the toilet.
There's swimming pool. There's grass to sleep. What am I doing here?
And there's our money, it's our residence.
It is our money. It is our revenue. What am I doing here? Nila kagakome ku State House ni. Wira ni ukombo.
Dara nyitari.
Wira kwenda masi.
Nile isi ya Murefu.
Murefu araihuririe iyo thani.
Magoro maigana.
Matatu ona ukarigwa atiriri. Twaritwo ni citu. Tucoke twauma twarikia kuria twarekane na munene ri.
Cheza sita.
Turawaja. Turathie waterfront. Nenda kuria huhu. Hana indo retagwo huhu.
Tumada moja kuitha na tucia munyaka kuri 24 to 24.
Twekoria Murefu nenda kuria huhu. Na irio maretwo ni ciao marie manine.
Tabo cheza sita. Cheza sita. Tumana basi ya kuitha thatu.
Ko.
Cia munyaka kuri 24 to 24.
Wenda ire huhu.
Ogariri. Agairo ciake cia nyamari.
Agare hata wagare wa speed governor. No musamanio wothe no arerwo ni mutongoria hoirie. Na nginya mahoine ni araugaga makomaga nja.
Hoirie ate.
Thengiu Ngai ni undu wa gutora gukwi munene. Baba tukiaria ha tuikaite thĩ ririkana munene umuririkanie turaraga nja. Tukomaga haria Makanika makihinywo baba.
Wajoni arega gukura hau.
Baba na hena video ina Murefu uririkanie Murefu kuonia munene. Ara hoya-ini.
Ore anake mathire kuria geto. Kai.
Mabaririkana kuma rĩa twaingatirwo anake nĩ matwĩkire arebi othe baba.
Video inao.
Video ina Murefu baba. Ririkana Murefu uririkanie Murefu baba. Twambia kwaria ndakariganĩrwo onie munene. Munene hena video okuonio.
Kai kwa Ngai gutire dustbin.
Ya mahoya.
Ngai gutire.
Na munene aracokire oya thimu ya rerorera.
Tabaka. Ndarare nguo gecici.
Ndaona ona ariga gwatiriri. Nĩ kuria video nĩyo ekuĩte.
Hii April watoto wanastahili vicheko na burudani tosha. Suluhu ni kulipia subscription yako.
Where are you going?
I got that.
There this. There ni hale this na ithu aronania tukere thutha.
Oi Sami.
Ati there this. There this.